Today I'd like to talk to you a little about the microplane tools and how they're used and the different profiles available and things like that. The microplane tools, they're available in a couple different sizes. You've got the interchangeable type where they come in either an 8-inch blade or a 4-inch blade, and the different profiles available. It comes standard with the flat profile here, but then you can also get rounded and also the angle. So you have kind of a V-shaped cut with that. And then they're also available in different grits, both coarse and fine. And the small size, the same thing. You can get those in the flat, angle, and rounded profiles. And they're actually really easy to switch back and forth. All you do is take this and you pop it out right here. And you can take and switch the blade around either direction so that it'll cut on either the push stroke or flip it around the other side and it'll cut on the pull stroke. So depending on your project and how you're able to access the material. And you set it in place and just click that blade down in there. Same thing with the 8-inch kit. You've got that right there. You can take and flip it around either direction or switch from a rounded blade to a flat blade or the angle blade. Snap that in place and you're good. Now you also have the fixed handled tools. You have the small size, which has the rounded profile and also the angled, and then the larger one in the same profiles. So you've got the rounded and the angled. But to show you on this, a couple uses, we've got customers and people that make the different flute spirals like this, and they find that this microplane is really handy to let you get in and do some filing and shaping with this. And it gives you almost a finished cut, because with the way the blade is designed, you have offset blades here, and so each time you cut, it's like taking a knife and slicing it across rather than just grinding it off. So it cuts very clean. And then you also have, on a piece of wood like this, you can take your tool, and if this is, you normally want to have your project anchored in place if you can. So you can see with that you can cut, the different grooves and things like that. Very quickly, and it's like I say again, it's almost a finished cut. And the flat profile you can get going cross grain on this basswood. We've done a little bit of cutting on this, as you can tell, but this spot right here is what I just cut. And even going cross grain, it gives you a very, very clean cut to work with. So that's how you use the microplanes. Again, they're available in a few different shapes and sizes. The interchangeable style like this, and the 8-inch and the 4-inch. Excuse me, the 3-inch on that one there, the 8-inch and the 3-inch. And then you have the fixed handled styles right there available in a couple different profiles. So that's how you use the microplane tools. I hope this video has been helpful.